Today we're going to be restoring a MySQL table backup into another existing database. This particular table that I'm going to be restoring was backed up from another server and may need a little modification, which I will show you how to do. Launch the PHPStorm application. Locate and open the database on the right-hand side of the interface. Choose the database where you want to restore your table. Right-click on the database and select New Query Console to open a new query console, which we'll be using in a moment. Locate the folder that contains your backup file. Open the specific backup file that contains the table data you want to restore. Identify and copy the SQL statement responsible for creating the table. Insert the copied statement into the Open Query Console in PHPStorm. Place your cursor anywhere within the statement in the query console. I'm going to be changing the name of my table. I'm not going to be calling it Lintra. I'm just going to change it to groups. Select the Execute button. Check the database in the Database tab to make sure your table has been successfully created. Once we know the table has been successfully created, what I want to do is I want to do a test run here because it's actually came from a different server and it's got a different database name, and I might have to modify this just a bit. So what I like to do is try one. We'll just copy that one into the console and we'll make a little room for this right here. We're just going to try one and make sure that it's working properly before we do all those. If you don't have many records, you can decide what to do there. But I can probably change this to group. That might be all I have to do. I have to look here and see what's going on down here in the back end. Okay, what we want to do is we want to click anywhere inside the statement, okay, and then click on the execute button and then confirm, and that should create a new record for us. So I'm going to open up groups. I'm going to look inside, and there we can see that I do have one record, and that's the record that I was inserting. So this is good. So we have a record. So now we can go back and do all the rest. Okay, so now I'm back. There's my first record, which is one we've already inserted. So we've got to pull a little trick here, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit the CTRL and the letter R for replace. And up in the very top here, you'll see we have a little search box that we are going to search in. And we're going to search and replace. We're going to search and replace this entire line here for every record in this table. So I'm going to paste that in, and it should CTRLV. And now look at that. You can see that it's got 1,431 of those. So what do I want to do here? I just want to fix these to work properly, and I'll just replace them all with the word, lowercase word, groups. Replace them all with the word groups. So now we'll just hit replace all, and now they've all been replaced with the proper lingo. All right. So now we can proceed to put all the rest of these records into the database. So I'm starting with the second record here, and I'm going to hit the shift key and then end, and then I'm just going to go page down, and we're going to highlight all the records, and there are a few. And then just want to make sure that I'm at the very end, which appears to be the end. And now I'm going to copy that, and then we're going to go paste that into our console. So we can get rid of this top one here. We've already done it. We'll delete it. Okay, and we can get rid of all this actually. I'm just going to select it all and delete it. That way we don't have any issues. So I'm just going to paste that in, and that's like 1,400 records. And there they are, dance moves. Ooh, okay, so there they all are. Now, once you have them all in here, we're going to select all of them, CTRL and the letter A. Okay, there they all are. And then we're going to click execute and insert them all. Good luck. There you can see the records are all being put in. It might take a minute, but that was quite a few records. So, all right. Well, it looks like all my records were put in, all the way down to the last one there. So I just need to confirm that. And there was the first one that we put in. So I'm hoping to see a lot more. 1,431. Okay, they're all in here. Looks good. I'm so excited. Well, hopefully that'll help you out. If you need to get your data back, get back in good standings with the boss. So thanks for checking it out. Have a great day.